You might be tired of this face mask, so why not take a well-deserved break that you need and learn about skincare face mask from a skincare specialist. So stay tuned. Hello, my name is Sajana and I am a West Warrior woman. This is the best place to learn about mindfulness, skincare, and sustainability. Consider subscribing if you want to keep your mind sharp on self-care. Alright, today we'll be learning all about face mask, answering questions like do you really need a face mask? And what face mask really does? And the last one, what kind of face mask to look for your skin type. And at the end of this video, you and I are going to play a game. Let's see how good of a listener you are, and you will be rewarded if you guessed it right. So for now, let's start with, do you really need a face mask? The straight answer is no, you don't really need a face mask for your daily skincare routine, but having it will enhance your skin just like a icing on the cake. Treat this face mask as your luxurious treatment for the skin that you use it either once a week or once in 2 weeks. So next, what you want to know is what face mask really does. First thing that face mask does is help you relax. And even for the deeper relaxation, what you can do is listen to a soothing music and diffuse an essential oil. With your eyes closed, you can wear the mask for at least 10 to 20 minutes depending on the product, and it can eventually uplift your mood. So I love using face mask to relax. Second in line that face mask does is connect. It is a fun way to use face masks that brings everybody together at home, like you can share with your friends and family, and I'm pretty sure men also like to use face masks given the opportunity to indulge and have fun. And it's such an enjoyable way that you can involve everybody, so face mask is one of the ways to connect people. The third in line is satisfy. Because most of the masks that we use gives us instant results such as hydration, tightening, and pore clearing, all of those things that we like, and applying a face mask is so satisfying. So that leads to what kind of face mask to look for your skin type coming up. And for my oily and acne skin people, you want to look for a clay-based mask that's help with clearing out your pores. And the ingredient that you want to look for is charcoal, bentonite, and anything that ends with clay like pink clay and white clay. And just to show you, I have a mask from Indie right here. It's for a acne skin people. It has bentonite on it, and usually this is what it looks like. It's very thick, and these kind of products I recommend you to use only once a week, not more than that. And for my dry and dehydrated skin, you want to look for a gel-based mask that's going to hydrate your skin. And the ingredients that you want to look for are aloe, cucumber, watermelon, grapes, like something that holds water in them. And to show you, I have a aloe mask. It looks like this. It's very jelly. And these kind of masks that you can use it actually more than once a week, yeah. It's very soothing for hydration, so anybody can use this, but specifically for dry and sensitive skin, this is what I recommend. And most of the masks that you see like these are also gel-based masks, and these can also be applied for dry skin or sensitive skin. And for my dull and dehydrated skin, you want to look for exfoliating mask that helps with the texture of your skin. And the ingredients to look for are lactic, glycolic, salicylic, and they're also known as AHAs and BHAs. The one that I have here is from Drunk Elephant TLC that has 25% of AHAs and 2% of BHAs. These kind of masks I only recommend you to wear at least once in 2 weeks, not more than that, because too much of these can have an adverse effect on your skin. So these are great to use, but make sure the usage of it is not too much. Last but not least, for uneven and hyperpigmented skin, you want to look for a brightening mask that's going to help you with evening out your skin. And the ingredients to look for are vitamin C, kojic acid, licorice root, and ginseng. These kind of things will help you brighten up your face. You can also use AHAs and BHAs, but make sure that there is an inclusion of either of these ingredients in here to give you the benefit of exfoliating and also the brightening of the skin as well. The one that I have here is from Glamglow. This one has a vitamin C. You can use these kind of masks once a week, not more than that, otherwise it might be too much exfoliating for your skin. And I personally wanted to thank Trish for your curious face mask questions. And because of you, many of us got to learn about face masks today, so thank you so much for that. And I hope I answered one of your questions. Rest are in line and I'm working on it, so bear with me. And if you want your question to be answered, consider subscribing. Alright, it's playtime. Whoever answers this correctly, I'll randomly choose a winner and reach out to you to answer your skincare question. Are you ready to win? Here's the question. What kind of masks are these? Comment in the section below so I can take a look at it. And also, let's see how good of a listener you are. And good luck! Take care of yourself and your skin. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, namaste.